Hi there, I'm Andrii Pigariev, a Celta trainer at Great Education Center. There's definitely a lot to do on the Celta course: planning a detailed lesson plan, analyzing some language to teach, and preparing handouts takes a minimum of 3 hours for one lesson. You will also be attending input sessions and completing extended written tasks, all of which takes quite a while. So how to manage the course? The most important thing is to prioritize what you do and plan your time. Plan time to study outside course hours, as well as some good time to rest. Recharging batteries is essential as tiredness accumulates and becomes more and more difficult to complete seemingly easy tasks. Sleeping is a necessary luxury, as we say on the Celta course, especially before the teaching day. Also, start doing your tasks as soon as possible and don't leave them for the final day. Prepare by bits. If you do this an evening before the important day, having a sleepless night is guaranteed, and teaching a lesson with low energy is really challenging. So plan your time wisely to be able to complete all the course activities and to fully enjoy the Celta course.